Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to share a prototype that I've built for a microfinance institution. Through my research, I noticed a major bottleneck in the loan disbursement cycle for MFIs, which typically takes anywhere from 10 to 45 days. This lengthy process delays access to capital for those who need it the most. To solve this, I've developed an app that digitizes and streamlines the entire process, reducing the loan disbursement cycle to just 3 to 4 days. Let's walk through how this works. So, the first page of this microcredit app will basically have the sign in page where one can basically sign in. The employee can basically sign in, and the first page is going to show how much amount he has basically sanctioned up till now. The second option over here can show him how much for each particular consumer or I mean, like the customer that he has basically given loan to, the balance amount remaining in that loan. So the first two surveys before this app are the village survey and the background check. And in those 2 days, we'll be focusing on assessing the village and understanding the borrowers. This includes conducting socioeconomic background checks to evaluate financial stability, identifying key individuals like the village pradhan, and collecting necessary documents like Aadhaar and PAN. We can also check the CIBIL score to ensure that the applicant has a clean credit history. If someone already has two active loans, they won't be qualified, minimizing the risk for an MFI. So the phase two of the whole digitization would be about the group recognition test, where we are basically educating the borrowers about what kind of MFI institute does. I mean, like, what does an MFI do and how the basic loan structure happens. So the first step in the app is going to be like the employee or the agent can go to the GRT section and he can see the statistics of all the credit score or the credit history of all the borrowers he has up till now. I mean, like, proceeded with, and there are like video lectures about how uh, how how, how basically a loan is dispersed and what is the loan appraisal form. Uh, Traditionally, this is basically done in person and can take a lot of time. In my solution, employees can basically send a training link to the borrowers, allowing them to watch informational video on their smartphones or through a projector during group meetings. These videos basically explain microfinance, loan terms, repayment structures, and best practices. Once they have gone through the content, they can take a quiz, which can be done digitally. The results are then shared with the MFI employee to verify their understanding before moving forward. Let me show it in the app itself. So the CGT, which is like a compulsory group training, this is where they can actually take a quiz. And once they submit, they can see the result itself on the go, and they can see how many questions they have corrected, or and I mean, like, how many they have basically incorrectly did, and the total time they can take. I mean, like, the statistics, they can basically take this quiz. Like, weekly or monthly. The next step is going to be the appraisal form, where the app will. I mean, like, the app itself can streamline this appraisal form, ensuring all necessary details are captured efficiently. Once they submit it, the system verifies the detail, and if everything checks out, the loan is sanctioned digitally. The approval letter is generated instantly, and the funds can be disbursed within the hours. Let's see that appraisal form over here. So this is basically, I mean, like, the employee can take down their names, the genders, the contact information, and this is going to be like an appraisal form where we can actually have the bank details, the personal information, business information, and the guarantor information ourselves to basically mitigate the risk. Once they click the submit, they can have, the app can basically, generate the approval letter instantly. We can view the letter itself, and then once we are done with it, we can basically go to the approvers list. The agent can have the number of customers he have basically approved up till now, and he can actually view their approval status, their approval letter, things like that. So why does I actually create this kind of a app? To basically mitigate the risk. This app isn't just about efficiency, it is also about making sure the financial inclusion is done more effectively. We can ensure the only eligible candidates receive loans. We can improve the financial literacy, especially for women borrowers, which strengthens the community. We can mitigate risk by enforcing fail-safe checks, ensuring applicants don't take on excessive debt. In summary, this prototype cuts down the MFI loan cycle from over a month to just 3 to 4 days by digitizing training, automating verification, and streamlining loan approvals. The solutions make microfinance faster, smarter, and more inclusive. Imagine the impact this could have on underserved communities, getting access to capital when they need it rather than waiting weeks for it. With this app, MFIs can scale their operations efficiently while minimizing the risk. I would love to hear your thoughts and feedback. Thank you so much for watching it.